Speaking of kicking things up, take a look at the two features that we're tracking in the tropics. Invest 96L and new to the list today, Invest 97. 97 shows a much stronger chance for development. It's a tropical wave just off the western coast of Africa, but what it's going to be entering are warm Atlantic waters, and this could possibly fuel its chance for development over the next week, in which that opportunity sits at 50%. Keep in mind, though, a lot could happen over the next 2 weeks, and this is just off the coast of Africa. So following this chart here, we're about 12 to 14 days out from any particular U.S. impacts. We could still see a recurve towards the north, though. So, of course, we'll keep you up to date with every single update that the National Hurricane Center does provide. Tomorrow's forecast will call for seasonal temperatures in the mid-80s to the low 90s. And before your work week said and done, we could pull in a few extra inches of rain, 3 to 5 to be exact. But overall, we will be trending drier heading into the start of your work week as the kids head back to school. And then we're bouncing back to the mid-90s from Tuesday all the way through next Saturday.